Alright, so we're in my school right now, and we have a robotics lab, and it allows 3D printing services for free. Can't you believe it? And so yeah, I've completed printing the Canine landing system for our landing legs. This is the brace struts. There's 3 of them though. We're gonna have the rest printed after I print a propeller for an additional secret project, since we're rebranding to aerospace instead of just suborbitals. And this is the central thing. I don't know if it's supposed to have screw holes here, but yeah, I'll take care of the rest some other time. So yeah, small update for track the suborbitals. FireFly test is gonna come out in December. Really, December. And it's not that far because the landing is almost finished. Instead of using the popsicle stick landing leg design from the previous version, we're gonna be using this for the new block 2. So yeah, I'll see you guys then.